Hello everyone, I hope everything is going well at your side. My today's topic is past perfect tense. It is used to express that an activity was started and ended before another activity in the past. For example, I had completed my homework when the guests arrived. Now, the first activity was done before the next action. The airplane had taken off when we reached airport. Now the first action, the airplane had taken off. That action was done when we reached airport before the next action, that when we reached airport. As I got up yesterday, my siblings had left for the school. Helping verbs for past perfect tense is only had. Had is used with singular subjects and had is used with plural subjects. The Urdu identification of past perfect tense is this, that at the end of the Urdu sentences we have chuka tha, chuke the, chuki thi, diya tha, diye the, diye thi, liya tha, liye the, li thi. Now coming towards the sentence structure of the positive sentences for past perfect tense is this, that first of all we use subject plus had plus third form of verb, that is also known as past participle, and then at the end we have object, that is optional. For example, we had understood the policy of the institute. हम इदारे की पॉलिसी को समझ चुके थे. She had taken an oath to perform her duties honestly. वो अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को ईमानदारी से निभाने का वादा कर चुकी थी. I had waited for my friend for a long time. मैं काफ़ी देर तक अपने दोस्त का इंतज़ार कर चुकी थी, या मैंने काफ़ी देर तक अपनी दोस्त का इंतज़ार कर लिया था. They had copied the content. Now sentence structure for negative sentence is first of all subject, then had and not, plus third form of verb and object. They had not participated in the competition. उन्होंने मुकाबले में हिस्सा नहीं लिया था. She had not violated the rules. वो उसूलों को नहीं तोड़ चुकी थी. He had not won the match. I had not intended to hurt you. Then interrogative sentences, positive sentence structure is first of all use of helping verb, that is had, then subject, then third form of verb, object, and at the end question mark. For example, had she taken her lunch? क्या वो अपना खाना खा चुकी थी? Had I told you? क्या मैंने आपको बता दिया था? Had they attended their classes? क्या वो अपनी जमातें ले चुके थे? Had her mother wished her good luck? The negative interrogative sentence structure is use of had plus subject plus word of negation not plus verb 3 plus object. For example, had I not informed you earlier? क्या मैं आपको पहले से नहीं बता चुकी थी? Had she not talked to her friends? क्या उसने अपनी दोस्तों से बातें नहीं कर ली थीं? Hadn't they played well? क्या वो अच्छा नहीं खेले थे? Hadn't that task completed yet? Then for positive information questions, sentence structure is WH word plus had plus subject plus third form of verb and object. After that we have question mark. Examples are, when had he written a story? वो कब कहानी लिख चुका था या उसने कब कहानी लिख ली थी? Why had she visited me? वो क्यों मुझसे मिलने आ गई थी? Whom had he called? How had he performed? Now negative information questions, WH word plus had plus subject plus not plus third form of verb, object, and then question mark. Examples are, why had she not refused the offer? उसने पेशकश को क्यों रद्द नहीं कर दिया था? When had he not contacted you? Where hadn't they shifted? So this was all about past perfect tense. Just keep practicing. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.